Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Today we're planting our vertical Garai planter, and you get to see how we're going to do it and what we're going to put in it.
I know, this will be fun. We've been kind of waiting to get this planted. Yeah. So yeah, let's take a look at all the flowers we have. We got them all laid out on the table
cool.
here.
Look at all that stuff.
So this Garai planter we have is really cool. It's a vertical planter that has 5 different trays, basically.
Okay, that's actually right back there. You see it right there, guys?
Yeah, we already planted a couple trays already. We did lettuces, and we did, what was the other thing?
Mustard greens.
Yep. That's right. So here are the plants we're gonna add. We're gonna do 3 plants per tray and 3 flowering plants. We've got some beautiful Calabroca, some yellow Calabroca, and look at this pansy. Isn't that so pretty?
Oh yeah, I love that face of that. That's beautiful.
No. So we thought that would be kind of a nice, bright kind of mix.
And before we really get into a lot of this, a lot of the planting stuff, I want to tell you all these plants all have the same sun, soil, and water needs.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we're good to go on that.
That's super important. We've got some alyssum, sweet alyssum. Another beautiful pansy.
Oh, and that's different than the other one. Look at that orange. Woo!
If you watched our other video where we planted up a vertical planter from Garai, we used a couple of these pansies already, so you might have seen those. Yeah, we got these all from our favorite nursery, Watson's Greenhouse. And then last we have this other trio grouping here. We've got 2 bacopas and a beautiful white pansy.
Ooh,
let's see if we can see the face of that.
I love that bright white. Ooh, pretty.
That's gonna be a fun one. So
yeah, it almost glows.
It does, I know.
Wow. So guys, you can see we've already got these 2 containers filled with soil. They're ready to go for planting. We got one that's still got to be filled with soil. We wanted to show you, there's this insert that Garai sent with these, and let me just do this because it's a lot easier to do it this way. So they sent these inserts with these, and basically what these are is these are just little inserts to sit down on top of and over the drain holes, so the drain holes don't get clogged. Of course, some of the soil is going to go through this a little bit, but it's not going to be just like right up against it in those holes. See, we drilled some extra holes in some places for some more drainage, and so yeah, to keep them unclogged, pretty cool. So well thought out. Good job, Garai. How I like to do this, now Allison likes to do it too, is just kind of get a hold of the plant, steady it, and then just turn it upside down and start doing that. Bring that out. There goes the pot. You can see this has some really nice roots developed on there, so I'm going to try not to disturb that too much, maybe a little bit, but just going to do that. I'm going to spread out the roots that we have here a little bit. Just kind of do that. Set it down in there. We want the roots to go out, so they have a lot more surface area to grow into and to gather up moisture and nutrients from the soil. So let's just tap this down. We'll add a little bit more soil to this at the end. Get all this nice and level in this planter here. So I'm going to go back out. Here we go. So here's our pansy. All right, do the same thing again. Nice, yeah. It's kind of starting to circle, so we need to kind of be a little rough with it. Just kind of get rid of those. Get that off of there. Okay. And then we'll do this. Oop, there goes a few things, a few blooms. And we'll just do the same thing with this one. Spread it out. Get those roots flared out in the pot there, and then bring the soil back in. So if you've seen some of our other videos about planting plants in containers, or even in the ground. But what we like to do is we like to plant any plants down to the soil level that they were at in the pot that they came in, and that way we're not burying it or planting it too deep or too high out of the ground, because that's what the plant's used to. And if you do plant it too high or too deep, you can run into a bunch of different things, a bunch of different problems, and we don't want to go there. So keep it at that same level. So everybody, we've planted these plants in these containers. We've watered them in. Now we just got to place them.
I know.
So let's take a couple over and we'll start placing them on the Garai vertical standalone planter.
I love these. I really like the way they turned out.
Really are looking good. If we do say so ourselves.
I know. Now these aren't going to stay here in this exact location, but we're still kind of under construction back here, where we think the planter is going to sit right back here on the new gravel. But we're using that area right now, so temporary home.
Let's do this here. So it just kind of sits on the back there, and then it just goes right there.
Yeah, really easy.
Super easy.
And these were the other two that we had already planted, like we told you. Okay guys, got the last one we're gonna place, and then we're gonna see if we're gonna rearrange any of these after this to move them around. So let's do this last one here. And you know, for an easier setup, really, we probably should have started at the bottom and then just placed them all to go up, but we didn't do that because we like a good challenge. I love it. Do you like it?
Good. I really like it. It's easy. It's a standalone. It's going to be super easy to maintain, and I can't wait for everything just to really keep growing and get growing in there.
Isn't that cute, you guys? It's a great, really well constructed vertical planter.
Yeah, this thing is solid.
It's solid.
It can take all of this weight. That's really good.
Yeah, we're happy to have finished that project, and it's ready to go. They're gonna grow and just look beautiful over the whole season.
Yeah, you guys, and if you have any questions about what we did and how we did it, or even about constructing the framing on this by itself, just leave your comments down below for us. And especially if you just wanna comment and anything about this video, definitely leave your comments down below for us. We love hearing from you. And make sure to subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And check down below for a link to the Garai planter that we just showed you. So if you're interested in finding one for yourself, we'll give you that link. And other than that, that's a wrap for today, guys. We'll be back tomorrow with our next garden care video. So come on by to see what we're up to. Yep. Have a great day.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.